I know it doesn't seem like it, but your legal foundation is actually a strategic asset. You may never have thought of it this way, but that foundation is the strategic asset for your business, where these corporate formalities are not just red tape. It's not going to be a big deal. Well, it matters because if you fail to respect the separateness, it can lead to what we call in the legal world piercing the corporate veil. That's when a court treats your entity as your alter ego and reaches you personally, so your assets can be used to satisfy business debts. It's going to be about a pattern, and that's what courts love to look for, is patterns. So the more your behavior blurs the lines, the weaker your wall of protection becomes. Now I know like this may seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Maintaining corporate formalities doesn't have to be complicated. The good news is that it's manageable with some guide rails and some simple cadence. Once you get used to maintaining these formalities, it's easy to make sure we check the boxes and keep the formalities in place. They're how you prove to anybody who questions that you run a real business. That proof builds over time, it creates credibility with banks and investors and partners, and preserves your liability shield when you need it most. Corporate formalities aren't normally going to be the top of your list of things you're paying attention to when you start your business, but you need to make sure you are paying attention to them. If you have more questions or want to discuss some further options for you and your business, you can head over to my website, andrewmayers.com,